Hi everyone, this is Daniele, and this one that doesn't stop moving, can you see it? It's Luli, okay? You're gonna see plenty of Luli today. And this is your channel, Luli and me. Luli, could you come over here? Right here next to me, okay? She still pulls me. I don't know what to do about that. But anyway, Luli. We normally do bar hopping, but as I mentioned before, I'm having a hard time with school and doing bar hopping. There's not much time, so I decided to improvise and do different videos. I hope you like it, but it's all related to dogs and places for the dogs to have fun. So today, as you can see my nice hat, we are in a dog park at Juno Beach. And I'm just gonna show you little things here and there, where it is, parking lots, what is off the leash dog beach in Juno. Okay? So watch the intro and don't forget to subscribe, press the button. We have previous videos that shows many bars, cava places, and different things. I hope you like this one. Luli, do you want to say something? Follow me. All right, let's go. Like I mentioned before, this is a special video today about going to the beach, Juno Beach, and I'm gonna show you some secret parking lot that you always gonna find parking. So I'm gonna show you there's a name for this parking lot. Here is always available, but today, because it's Saturday, Christmas weekend, is full. So I decided to walk forward back there where the cars are going. And guess what? Nobody knows about that. I mean, a few people know, but nobody knows for sure if it's a parking lot that belongs to a building or if it's a parking lot for public. And it is public. So here is the name of the parking lot. So this is Beach Parking 3610. All right, and look at the beautiful day today. So when you come back, there's a little shower here. Let's look at this color of this beach. Hello. And it's kind of full today, but Luli knows where she is. Wow, so many people. All right, Luli, do you think it's time for me to take you off the leash? Are you gonna behave? Come here, come here. Okay, you guys ready to see the crazy maniac? I don't even have to tell her to go to the beach. Oh, why didn't you go more? She's really good. Look. It's a little cold probably. But she loves it. She's like a kid. And of course, after that, dog Milanesa. Yeah, she really loves it. Try to find a spot. Go, Luli, go. Right, Luli? You want more water? Drink it. And look what I I brought. Luli. She's like hypnotized by the ball. Now, you ready? Set? Go! Oh! Good girl. Ah! Ready? Ready? Very good. So that's the end of the beach. I think we stayed about an hour and a half and gave Luli a shower. And I had to put, of course, this cover because I don't want my seat, that's white, to be dark. But Luli's all comfy. And now we're going to our favorite place. Every time we come over here, instead of just going home, we go to a bar. I guess it's called bar hopping. We're going to Guanabanas. So now we are going to Guanabanas, our favorite spot around here. There's public parking, 1 block from Guanabanas walking, but they allow dogs. Yeah, they allow dogs. And it's a beautiful place. They have live music I can hear from now. That's awesome. So this is the entrance of Guanabanas. If you don't want to park, you can do valet. See, Guanabanas. It is a place to come. It's beautiful. And if you have your dog, and if you want to sit at the bar, if you don't care about a table, you don't have to go through there. You go through the back door, go straight to the bar. Yeah, and there's no place at the bar. We're gonna get a drink and walk around. But it's beautiful, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. You're not gonna believe it. We got a seat on the grown-up table. Somebody was leaving, and we are here. Luli's downstairs making friends, and there is a water bowl for her with ice. Where, Luli? Luli, stop eating stuff from the floor. And that was the end of the video from yesterday. So we did some discovery and some off-the-leash dog park, and we went to our favorite spot, Guanabanas, and we went home. And hopefully I won't take that long to make the next video, but if I do, please forgive me. We'll try to find something super cool next time. But until then, follow the channel, subscribe, and give me a like, make a comment, anything. Let me know where you want me to go. That would be cool. All right? Talk to you guys later. Bye.